What's up guys, and welcome to your first ever Java programming tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to print out hello world. So let me open Eclipse. Now I'm going to select my working space, so I'll go and browse documents, computer science second year. Where is it? My name. Here it is, Java programming, and then hello world. Just click that and then I click open. So now ready to go. Now I'm going to press OK. So yeah, in this tutorial basically I'm going to show you how to print out hello world on the screen. You can fast forward this part in the video. It's taking a couple seconds. The first tutorials are always basic hello world, that's all it is. So now I'm gonna have to click or select my workbench. What's this garbage? Here it is. And now I'm gonna go on File, New, Project. Just do hello world, project name, then I'm going to do finish. So now, after that's loaded, I'm going to click here, go in SRC, go in new, go in class, and type hello world. And remember to tick public static void main string, square brackets, args, close parentheses, press OK, press finish. Get rid of this garbage. Print. What am I doing? System dot out. Let that load. I don't know what's it. Yeah. Dot print. ln parentheses semicolon speech marks hello world. After we execute that or run it, you should see hello world printed on the screen. So yeah, in the next tutorials or whenever or in the near future I'll be explaining what the word public, what the word class means, public static void, etc. In this tutorial I'm just going to explain what system.print means. System basically refers to a class called system that exists in the java.lang package. Out refers to a public static field within the system class. The fields, the data type is of class type print stream. And println is an instance method specified in the print stream class that accepts a string and sends it to the standard out.